We're at the B yard. You can see the 15-mile electric fence from Tractor Supply Company. Runs off a car battery. You can see the clips there. You can see how it's wired, and it's wired so it touches each of the strands of wire. The insulators here at the post, each of the corner posts have these white circular insulators that keep the wires off the post. The biggest thing with electric fences is keeping them insulated from tall grass and the wood poles like this. This is the gate clips. This is something that if you want to install a gate, the handles just clip onto there, but yet it continues to flow electricity through the handle, but you won't feel it when you touch it. On the other end of the gate here, this is actually where our fence starts, is at the white insulators. The yellow insulators here are just to keep the wire off the poles. So, but I actually started the fence here at these white insulators that screw into the pole. These are white tensioners. They're plastic. You can get plastic or metal tensioners, but you definitely want a tensioner on each one of your wires. That actually holds tension in all of the wires around the B as it goes around the B yard here. Just a quick view around. Inexpensive. I think I had about $250 into this setup.